Our next baptismal service will be on Easter Sunday, that's the 21st of April. So if you would like to be baptised, then please speak to one of the leadership team. We've got a marriage course coming up, which is for any engaged couples or anyone who's already married and wants to invest in their marriage. It's going to take place across 2 Saturdays, the 16th and the 23rd of March, from 10:30 till 4. So if that's you and you'd like to come along, you need to get yourself signed up, and you can do that online, via Exchange, or by speaking to our welcome team.
With holy thunder and leaves us breathless in awe and wonder. The King.
This October, we're planning to take a team on short-term missions trip to Stockholm in Sweden. If you're interested in finding out more, then pick up a pack from the welcome desk or speak to one of our church leadership team.
This is unfailing love, that you would take my place.
Mother's Day is coming up on the 31st of March, and we're having a special service at 11 a.m. So you can bring your friends and family along, and we're going to have a gift for all the women, and there's going to be a few extra surprises as well. So please come along to our Mother's Day service, 11 a.m. on the 31st of March.
Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me.
This Wednesday at 7:30 p.m, we'd invite you to join us for the first of Dex Bible Studies in March on the theme of The Heart That Is Evil. The second one of those will be on the 4th Wednesday of the month, so please come and join us. Wednesday is at 7:30 for the first of those Bible studies.
Daughter, the King of Glory, the King of Glory, who rules the nation.
Just a reminder to you before we go that there's no 6 p.m. service here tonight. That's because we're going over to Brierley Hill and taking the service there. If you want more details about how you can join us there, go and speak to the welcome team. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for more XL News.